Okay, so I've just been looking in the fridge and I found an Easter egg that I had left over from Easter. And it's called a Titchy Paradise Punch Egg. And in it there is, let's see if I can find the ingredients, what's in it. A Taste of Paradise, coconut milk, chocolates swirled with a puddle of white chocolate with crowned with dried mango, pina colada, flavoured jelly beans and coconut slivers. I actually mean to get this for Forsaken with it having mango in. Most Instruments fans will understand why. And it's also made by it's Choc-a-Block, and I've had the chocolate before and it is really, really nice. And it's gone to... I forgot to turn the volume down on my phone. Okay, so if I can get into it, I will show you. I'll have a little taste of it and see what it's like. Like I said, I've had Choc-a-Block chocolate before and that has been really, really nice. Okay, so it comes kind of like in this plastic thing that I can probably keep and make Easter egg for next year. Oh, the chocolate is so soft. Let's just taste a little bit of chocolate and see if we can get some. Right, this is the milk chocolate. I'll taste a bit of this. I'm going to try to get some of the white. I'm going to try to get some of the fruit and that. But let's just have a... It's melting already. It reminds me of Kinder Egg chocolate. The Kinder Eggs. That is nice. Me and Midnight was talking just before Easter, and she was saying she didn't like Easter eggs because the chocolate tasted weird, but this is melted. But this tastes like Kinder Eggs chocolate. It is so nice. Okay, I'm going to break it so we can get some of the white chocolate. The white chocolate is harder to get, and the white chocolate is a little bit thicker than the shell of the egg, but okay, that's weird. I normally like white chocolate, and I do like that white chocolate, but so I got some coconut stuck. It's weird because I normally get a little bit of taste with it still, but that white chocolate, there's no real taste to it. Like with the milk, you get that Kinder Egg taste and that, but with the white, there's no real taste for it. I don't get it. It's nice, don't get me wrong. I just don't get it. There's no taste or anything like that. I now have one of the jelly beans, and it's a pina colada flavour, and I've got chocolate all over my hands. Yeah, let's see what this like. Give us a taste. I think that just tastes like pineapple ones, but they're nice enough. Can I get a little bit of mango? I did get a little bit of coconut. Actually, yeah, I've got a little bit of coconut, so let's try this one. Then I'll try the mango. The coconut is really nice. I do actually like that. Okay. No. I'm going to go out on the limb here and say there's a little bit of what's the word? I can't think of the word. But it says packed with dried and crammed with dried mango. That is the dried mango. But it's all you get. Yeah, I think you get another piece, but it's not exactly crammed, but it's nice. Hey, I keep finding little faults, but the chocolate itself is really nice. But mango's not bad. But mango's okay. Right, so is there any other bits that I wanted to try? No. Okay, so yeah, that was chocolate block cheap paradise punch egg. And all in all, it's not bad. It is nice. I'd like a bigger one. And maybe put like mango inside the egg and things like that. Or even with the size I got, put mango inside the egg itself, because I think that'd be so nice. And maybe like put more jelly beans in it, or more mango things. But other than that, I'd say that's 8 out of 10. But anyway, for now, I would say love you lots and lots like jelly tarts, and keep it moving weird. Bye.